You won't believe the improvements Steady Gain Bank has made in 2026. Most people think traditional banks are outdated, but Steady Gain combines high-interest savings, fee-free accounts, and a modern digital experience that makes managing money easier than ever. Steady Gain offers both checking and high-yield savings accounts with no monthly fees. You can set multiple savings goals, from emergency funds to long-term investments, and the bank's app automatically directs funds toward each goal based on your spending and income patterns. Even modest, regular contributions benefit from compound interest over time. The dashboard is intuitive, showing real-time insights into your spending, upcoming bills, and overall financial health. Notifications alert you to potential overdrafts or overspending, making it easier to stay on top of your money. Security is strong. SteadyGain uses multi-factor authentication, encryption, and 24/7 fraud monitoring. All deposits are FDIC insured, and support is available via chat, email, or phone. The limitation: SteadyGain focuses on savings and banking tools. If you are seeking advanced investing or trading options, you'll need a separate platform. However, for anyone wanting a secure, modern, and automated way to manage money and grow savings, SteadyGain is an excellent choice. So, is SteadyGain Bank worth it in 2026? Absolutely. If you want a reliable, intuitive, and secure banking experience that helps your money grow, SteadyGain delivers. Subscribe for more reviews of the best banks and apps that make managing money smarter.